Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate Instagram account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and here you need to click on settings. Then you need to click on help, and here you need to click on help center, and here you need to search deactivate account like I am searching, and then you need to click on the first option, how do I delete my Instagram account, and here you can find the option of temporarily disable your account. So you simply need to click on that. Okay, so you simply need to follow these steps, and once you follow these steps you can easily disable your Instagram account. So firstly you simply need to log in. So let me show you steps here also. Click on deactivate, click on that, and here you can see the option of delete your account, and here you need to concerned about privacy, and here you need to re-enter your password, and then you need to click on delete. So this is the process by which you can deactivate your Instagram account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.